Hello everyone, this is Halmurat. I'm an Uyghur human rights activist based in Finland. Uyghur situation get worse since 2017. So far, well over 2 million or maybe several million Uyghurs and Kazakhs and other ethnic minorities sent to the concentration camps in East Turkestan, so-called Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. International reaction to that is really slow. One of the main reasons for that is because lack of information and the lack of awareness. So one of the most important job for the Uyghur activists and the non-Uyghur activists as well is to create awareness on the Uyghur situation, about Uyghur situation. So among them, the Talk to Turkestan platform on Facebook and the Twitter, they played very important roles. So it provides information about Uyghurs, and they share the different materials and evidences on their social media platform, on Facebook and on Twitter. I'm really grateful for their contribution and their efforts to help our the fellow Uyghurs and countrymen. So please go to check their social media platform on Facebook, for example. You can write Talk to Turkestan and you can find their Facebook profile and go to like it, subscribe it, and write comments. They're really doing a great job. I'm here to personally give thanks to them, and thank you for your contribution. Wish you all the best. We'll fight together for our freedom, for our people. Thank you.